Yo-ho, Prof here. We've got Squares there. He's going to remove the shipping stuff. What just came out of there and came... I don't remember where these shipped from, but they came damn fast. Like,
I don't know, man.
it was Monday, the first day of my new job. At I think it opened up 9 o'clock for this, and Squares did not know about that, I don't think.
No, I didn't.
And hey, I was limited to 2, and I got 2 in the cart. So,
Thank you.
was it good or bad?
I think it's good. I'm
Okay.
excited.
Okay.
Rewatch some reviews and
I did get mouse feet too right away because they limited you to 2 of each.
Are these like the official feet?
Official feet from VAXEE for it. You got 2 sizes. You got the standard.
0.45 and
Yeah, so
0.6
0.6 is the standard size, and you got 0.45. I don't necessarily know how they're meant to be used. I know from Takasta that generally he'll sell a 0.6 and a 0.2. You can add the 0.2 to the 0.6 if you want to like lower your lift off a little. Just you know what I mean? Like say if you're at like a 1.5 CD, you add that 0.2 mil in there, you're down to a 1 CD. You can't double them up completely a lot of the time because then you're outside of the...
Yeah, you probably track it.
And that's actually a trick I learned long ago from over there. We got an IntelliMouse optical. That actually scrapes on the pad if you don't have double feet on it.
Just tape trick it, man.
All right, let's crack this puppy open. Should be... That's a very square box. Oh, for reference, that's massive compared to the mouse we just unboxed. You got your... Here you go. Guys, check out our previous video. There's an MM720. And here, look, it's just a little meep.
Probably fit 2, maybe even 3 of them for crying out loud. Guy's tiny.
Tiny little mouse. Check that out if you like claw or
fingertip. Logo. It's super familiar.
So it's not Zowie. Remember, we're unboxing the not Zowie mouse.
Not Zowie, but it's the same development team.
Yeah.
For the most part, correct?
Yes. It's
guys behind.
It's the guys that made all the mice that you like.
Yeah.
And the reason why Zowie hasn't been made any new mice you like.
Zowie/Pedicure. All right.
And I believe it's VAXEE, Zygen, and then NP-01.
All right, so there you go.
These are pretty rare right now. They're making them in like what batches, like 50, I think. Oh, they you're not going to see this, but they didn't sell out apparently, or they reversed.
Ooh,
that's some nice packaging. Hold that thing over the light a little bit here. There we go. Sorry about the extra shit lighting, guys. Let's put it this way. The old bedroom is a wee bit messy at the moment. I lost some of my storage temporarily.
Oh my god, that is ka-chunk.
Yeah?
Yeah, that's like real ka-chunk.
That's what the Rocket Jump Ninja said, was they have made it even less steps than the Zowie mice. And I already like...
I thought it was a 24 step versus the 16.
It's supposed to be more ka-chunky.
I don't know. Whatever they did.
Is it more ka-chunky? Do we have Zowie mice down here? I don't know, guys.
Yeah, it's more ka-chunky.
Let's see here. Any Zowie mice?
Those thumb buttons feel way better.
Did we box up any Zowie mice down here last time?
You got a Zowie right in front of you.
Here's an EC2B CSGO. Is that good enough for your comparisons?
That'll work.
We don't have enough mice around here, guys.
That's tiny too.
It's supposed to be a combo between the EC2B and the S2.
Alright, so...
And I love me some EC2B. And S1. I love the S1 too.
Oh God, get that knife out of here. I'm gonna kill myself.
It's locked shut.
Alright, you say that. Oh no. It's way chunkier.
Oh baby.
And it's like way more defined, at least I should say. Like that feels sloppy by comparison.
Oh yeah.
Like you use the wheel to jump or for weapon selection. Oh my god. I may just use that.
All right. So on here, these side buttons. These I don't have my. Do I have my S1 down here? Is it in there? Or did you bring it back?
Yeah, I brought it back.
Might be in there.
I don't think it's in here.
It's white, isn't it? Like I have a white one. Or no, I don't have a white one.
Yours is black.
There's just a few black mice in there, you know. Well, it looks like an S1, guys. None of those.
Maybe that's it right there. I think that's it right there. And there it is.
All right.
Found it. Don't worry about it. Somewhere in yeah, I only need one, please. There you go. There's an S1.
All right. So now this is supposed to be an S combination of EC2 and an S2, but we got a EC2B and an S1 because I personally think if you like the EC2B, you'll prefer the S1, not the S2.
Wrap these cables and mice back up now. See you guys in quite a while.
And just toss it back in the box. They'll eventually get their own boxes upstairs.
No. We got
Oh, there's another EC2B in there.
a blue one.
A blue one.
Davinia, right?
Yep.
White.
Is the Davinia newer than the CSGO? I think so. Yeah, I think the newest one's the
came out when,
Tyloo.
When these came out, if I remember.
Oh, and this doesn't have the buzzing.
Yeah.
Does this have buzzing?
No.
No.
No, it was the first batch of the EC2Bs, if I remember correctly. I have one that does it. I think I bought it from you, if I remember correctly, and you didn't recognize it at the time. It wasn't until I got home.
No, I have a buzzing one. No. My CSGO does buzz.
Oh, does it?
Yeah, that's why I ended up going with the Davinia. And then, because they also fixed here's the other big thing they did. Check this out. They fixed the feet. They went, because remember they went to the little tiny feet back to the nice big old ones. And that's actually what I cared about even more.
I like the tiny little feet. It reminds me of like the old school,
Just because it reminds you of things doesn't mean it's good.
Logitechs. You know, the 518s. Before they switched to those big old feet.
So if you look at the bottom, it's an ambi shape. So it's more similar to the EC2 series. See right there, but the top is closer to ambi. Sort of like, and that's supposedly based on the S series. Now it's smaller, so it's like I said, a combo of it's like the base plate of a EC2 with a top of an S1 stretched over top of it. Yeah.
The mouse coffin.
So we've made videos on. Check the channel.
Or Sensei 10.
And those have to have stuff made on them. That's an all new box in the bag there. The MX-18 and that stuff has to get gone through as well. What we've already done is all under there. So keep an eye on the channel. So what do you think?
It just feel kind of hollow. God, that wheel.
Oh,
Apparently you have debounce settings right on the mouse too.
that's interesting.
You can do debounce right there, and then the polling rate, and then the DPI. So like if it starts double clicking, just 8 milliseconds.
That's Phyllis. She is not. Oh, Gertrude's back there.
God.
But Phyllis was doing me yoweling in the background there. So what do you think shape wise?
I mean, I won't know until I use it for a while, but like initially right out of the box, it's kind of weird because it just feels like an even smaller EC2, but at the same time it doesn't. It doesn't quite feel like this.
I'd say
and
if
it
you guys
doesn't quite
are
feel like this.
more like less palm. I'm not saying it's a fingertip grip mouse. I'm just saying like.
I mean, like the weirdest part is it's real flat right here, right? So when you grab it, it doesn't feel like an EC2, you know, where it kind of curves right there.
Yeah, there's some curve there.
But it's flatter.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? So it feels, it definitely feels like an S1 mixed with an EC2.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I think technically it's S2.
S2, but it's still like, you take the front of an S series and put a little bit of a curve and a butt to it.
Yeah, I'm happy they went to individual
Light
clicks
too. Compared to like.
What you mean when they finally redesign mice? They can update feature set like in weight.
By comparison, at least, yeah. What is this, like 85 grams or something like that?
I don't know. It's pretty
90
heavy.
grams. Well, I mean, I think the standard is like 85. I think.
Oh, and for those still interested in Zowie, the latest versions of all the mice are going to be out in white pretty soon. So if you want like
The gloss.
the gloss white,
The Divinia, but you don't want the blue or the pink.
no, it's gonna be it's the
blue?
Tyloo. What's in the Tyloo in all of them but white. So the most updated everything.
Okay.
Yeah.
I
So
don't
the
think
latest
Tyloo's are
sensor.
really, I think they're still rocking the 3360 even in the Tyloo's. I think the only thing that they really changed in there was,
Guts are different.
I think the
Some of the guts.
buttons are better. I think
Yeah.
they're the blue shell guanos that they're using for those, not the blue.
You gotta remember,
plunger
every other
guanos.
mouse wasn't on what it had though.
Yeah, but I think it's just more consistent. It definitely, the clicks feel lighter in the Tyloo. Like they must have changed
The coating on the Tyloo is amazing,
Yeah.
but
Yes.
obviously it's going to gloss.
So
So
those are real like thin feet too. You can even feel it.
yeah, that might be why they gave you different.
Like these, you can just. Those are pretty thin too. But I swear to God,
The
these
feet
feel-
on the Zoe's though are very soft. Like if you put
Yeah.
your nail on it, you would
Yeah.
mark it real easy.
Yeah.
Whereas
You can see it right there.
you're not gonna
You're
do
not
that.
gonna notice it, but I feel like these were a little. Yeah, like definitely in this one you can tell it's more substantial.
Well, if you look at the hold up and rock that, you can see how inconsistent Zoe feet are though. Do you see there's like a?
Well, I mean,
a
you used this
hole-
for a while though, didn't
Yeah,
you?
but that's not worn at all in the middle.
Oh yeah, I suppose.
See what I
It's
mean?
just
Like they're
wearing
not
right
flat. The feet are
There.
not
But also,
flat.
what do you? Is it wearing around here in the edges,
Yeah.
or is it?
Yeah, instead of wearing the whole thing, it's only wearing the edge of the foot. And I use a hard pad, so you'll see wear on my mouse feet.
Well, these you can't because they're tiny, but
Well, those are just
same
gone
thing.
on the
Same thing
EC2B.
here.
Yep.
Right around.
Yep.
Weird.
So, and that's why hopefully these are going to be a bit better being out of a different material and being a little bit thinner because these are pretty thick feet.
Yeah.
And you can see this at least wore a bit more evenly. You know what I mean? But
After put my hands on this thing, this is a pleasant surprise. Thank you. Like this.
I didn't know I could get two. I didn't even know I would be able to get them because they didn't announce.
I was not initially interested, so like I'll have to try it and see how it is.
Yeah.
But, like, this is intriguing. Honestly, I was more pumped for the MM720 than anything. But, like,
Yeah, this guy over here. Well, you have to compare them.
it's gonna.
They're pretty different, but
Yes, very different.
you know what I like? I don't think people have mentioned this. Look at the texture on the clicks.
Yeah.
And what did I just do to my 106? Basically made the clicks super textured.
rubbered them, yeah.
And then you notice it's nice, smooth, not slippery, but smooth sides.
I mean, it's like this kind of less, I guess, less glossy feeling. Feels like
Yeah.
a little more texture. Maybe it'll take a little bit for it to kind of wear in. I guess and like hand oils to kind of wear it down. But like,
And you got a decent cable. I wouldn't say it's pretty thick.
yeah, the weird thing is just like, it definitely when it leaves the mouse, it's
It goes up.
straight up. Yeah.
Yeah, because they want it to eat, like act like a bungee on its
Yeah.
own. Because apparently the cable's light enough that it should support its own
And that
weight.
that strain relief is solid, man. You can't even wiggle that thing.
I'm just gonna say, looking at this piece of rubber right here,
Yeah.
I bet you it's the same OEM as Razer.
Yeah, probably.
That looks like a Razer cable too. Feel
That
that?
Yeah.
That feels like a Razer. I don't have a Razer with that type of cable
This
down
one
here.
is retained though. If you look,
I don't have a Razer with that type
So, you know, it's
type
like
of cable
looped.
down here.
the Razer ones are usually they'll loop it around and then you just toss it out because it's
Yeah.
nothing here. This is actually wrapped around the cable.
Well, here I might have a Razer cable. Yes, here, Razer cable.
Yeah.
They feel the same.
I think for the most part, yeah. I mean, the Razer one feels cheaper.
Well, it's
But-
also a removable one, so I don't really fully intend for you to
Yeah.
be using it. But to me, that
But-
seems very, very similar.
Yeah.
Yeah, that I'm not saying that's the exact same manufacturer, but
It's probably obvious inspiration.
maybe they're next door
Yeah. I mean, it could be. Obvious inspiration. at least.
with a door in between them.
Made in China.
I mean, this feels pretty solidly made.
Yeah.
Let's give a look at the bottom here for you.
Cat eating some cardboard over there.
We got DPI adjustment. We got polling rate adjustment. And what was this? Was this debounce?
D-bounce, yeah. You get 2, 4, and 8 milliseconds, I think.
And I think there were not issues with the 2, but be aware.
Yeah.
You're probably going to mess up with the 2 because you don't think. I'm sorry, but you don't think you're as good as, you think you're better than you actually are.
I think, what's his name? I can't think of it now. Brian Phillips. Bad C-Tech. I think he said He stuck with 4.
Yeah.
It's like he was most comfortable with that, and it seemed to perform the best for him.
I think he was having like double click with 2 because he was clicking.
I think he said he was going into it because he was talking about the XM1.
Yeah.
Because they're like sub 1 millisecond debounce time that you could do for like instantaneous response. He couldn't notice the difference, but he said he knew a guy who was like a professional gamer. I thought that's what he said at least, and he could tell the difference between. I don't know. It's even possible. Like average human reaction time is like 150 milliseconds, but you know they also have the 8 millisecond there in case.
Well, the other thing is even on USB, what's that? 1 ms is the fastest it can be anyway.
Yeah.
So.
I mean, it's crazy.
Oh, jeez.
I think he said the 4 was like most consistent for him, if I recall correctly, and he said he felt most comfortable with it. So.
This one was super intriguing. I'm super happy to get it. They were actually interested in our feedback since we both liked the EC2 and I like the S1.
Yeah.
You know, and this is like a combo of that. So we will have to do a follow-up video once we actually play some video games.
Yeah.
The most video games I've actually played lately has been Tony Hawk. So
mine's been Call of Duty.
I haven't played that in a while.
I
I got the new season.
There you go. Did you even unlock any of the guns?
No, I haven't played a game yet in the new season.
Yeah.
I had enough COD points though. Yeah. So I got mine to open here. No reason for us to reopen them again.
You saw the whole experience, I guess you could say right then.
But I like the textured clicks.
Yeah.
That scroll wheel.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Listen. Like that's. I feel like the clicks could probably be a bit more chunkier.
Like the Zowie wheel is good too. Right.
But that puts it to shame.
This just feels more defined. Like when you stop. Yep. It just feels better.
Whereas the Zowie's kind of mushy, even though it's like chunky, it's kind of mush on the.
Well, this is a 16 step if I remember correctly, like an encoder for here.
Well, I mean, this is the new scroll wheel in the S1.
Does it?
That's got the So it's a little bit more.
Oh, that's better, yeah.
But it's still nothing like.
Yeah, it definitely doesn't feel as chunky. Maybe that'll break in though, and it'll get a little sloppier over time. Who knows?
Because the Tyloo should have this one, if I recall.
Oh, actually, does feel pretty good. Yeah.
And it's got the more squared off. If you look at the the scroll wheels.
Is this the last mouse shape that they made for before?
Yes.
Nice. I mean, this is still a good shape.
Yep.
I used it for a bit, and you let me borrow it, and it's.
I couldn't do the S2 though. That'd be like itty bitty.
I mean, it's probably about the same size as this if you look at it.
I think the actual grip is smaller though.
That could be, yeah. This is interesting though.
So, being that I like the 2 mice it's based on, I was very, very intrigued on this, and also finally getting a new mouse from.
Yeah, I wonder how I'm
from not Zowie.
Yeah, because like I love the EC2.
Yeah.
It's a fantastic right-handed mouse.
The EC2 was the thing that replaced the Death Adder for me.
Yeah. With Death Adder.
I mean, there's the new wireless one though. That was pretty nice.
Yeah, that one's pretty decent. I had actually give that a try to see how it feels in game. I mean, like initial impressions are good. It feels really well built. So.
That was always one thing with the Zowie mice that you got too. Is like even though it might be a little heavier, you could tell that it was just like a solid mouse.
Yeah.
Whereas a lot of other brands were kind of like like you squish the sides and it flexes.
Yeah.
Sort of thing. And they're simple. You know what I mean? Now all mice are going simple.
No software. So.
Well, guys, that was a look at the new VAXEE Zygen. Totally not Zowie.
NP-01.
NP-01. Hopefully they don't mind me saying the totally not Zowie thing. But,
I mean, it's definitely...
Yeah.
esque. I mean, that definitely looks like...
And, if you're interested in other mice, check out our previous video on the MM720. Oh, and then all of these got featured, and all of those are going to get little short clips on them.
I'm not gonna say that it's the same, but like
he just turned it 90 degrees, maybe.
It's real. Well, it's real kind of obvious that it was inspiration.
Well, we'll see you in the next video.